Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to disable dark mode on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Now, tap on three dots from the top right corner. Go to Settings. Tap on the Chats. Here you will see the theme option, tap on it. Now tap on the light option. Then tap on OK. And you will turn off dark mode on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you are able to disable dark mode on WhatsApp. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.